CSX detector, milepost 74.4. You have a defect. CSX detector, milepost 74.4. Hot wheel, east rail, axle 238. Total axles 784. 4. Hot wheel, east rail, axle 238. Total axles 784. Detector out. CSX detector, milepost 74.4. Hot wheel, east rail, axle 238. Total axles 784. CSX detector, milepost 74.4. Hot wheel, east rail, axle 238. Total axles 784. Detector out.
CSX F, speed train dispatcher James.
G691 24.
G691 24.
Sir, got a hot wheel bearing. Axle number 238, east rail. Conductor's walking back with his temple stick over.
Okay, the Jeep wanted to see if you could get by Gary before you do it, but if not, I guess we can look at it.
Yeah, now we stopped as soon as they gave us the number over.
I got it. Alright,
We'll give you a call back.
you train switch X.
Man, 971.
Here, though.
Hey, did he give you a car number or anything?
No, he didn't.
Now take the line 57, 20 axles in front, 20 axles back. I don't really see anything. See if, 294 and see if he's got a car number. Make sure, double check.
Understand, let's go 94.
CSX F, speed train dispatcher James.
G691 24 FB.
691.
Sir, conductor checked the line 51, 20 axles in the front, 20 axles behind. If you happen to get a car number, come up over.
I have not. I never even got the email. I think the Jeep did. Oh, hold on a second. All right, Chief saying it should be the 47th car, CAIX 540113 is the one we got notified on.
All right, I understand. CAIX 540107.
Right, now he's saying it's the 50th car is what it should be.
50 CAIX.
Air temperature 46.
540099.
Sandwich Island.
540113 is the car, wherever that shows in your train. But it kind of gives us, half the time it says it tells your engines, and then sometimes it doesn't, so we don't know exactly where it is.
But that car is showing us line 42 on our tonnage graph. Take back that fish.
Yeah,
Back to 32, Ivan.
I did hear you saying it's the 57th car. CAIX 540113 is your, by the camera shot anyway, is the 57th car.
57th car.
Car before I changed channels, Ivan.
I'm back with you, 32.
People said it was line 57 before we changed channels.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Line 57. Alright, double checking it. But yeah, alright. Marks on, but it's not melting or anything. They're just regular worm from the wheels, but nothing else.
Nothing's melted, I guess. Look at those other ones on the way back that he gave you. Those other AIX cars. Just make sure they not hot, then I'll let them know.
Okay.
FBS G691.
G691 answer no.
Yeah, did you find it?
He just checked that line 57. And temple stick did not melt over.
You say the brake was sticking open?
I said the temple stick did not melt.
Okay, but there was no brake applied to it or anything?
Can't brake was applied, Ivan?
No, it wasn't a fire.
No brake was applied, FD.
You say it was open?
Was not. Was not.
Was not, okay, but it didn't melt the temple stick, I got you. And you say it looks like it's safe to move.
Everything looks normal, Ivan?
Yeah, everything looks okay on it.
Everything looks good to go, FD.
Gotcha, appreciate it. Transmit Jackson. Transmitter to Jacksonville, G69124.
G69124, that's a no.
Y'all just come on when you're ready to.
Let's leave when we stand when the conductor gets to the head, over.
That's right, appreciate it. Transmit Jackson.
G69124, level 42, 6971, southbound, main 21, clear area.